Said, basically, we're good. We're good to be here, but we can't have the merch. So we gotta.
Now we're actually donating them.
Pretty nice. It's very beautiful out. Perfect day for this. The lineup is clean as heck.
Pretty sick. I was glad I'm able to make it out. Thanks for running this, girl. See you Thursday.
Super fun, super chill. Moist is a lot.
See you around for sure. Yeah. Cheers.
for coming. Appreciate it. It's funny you brought all the people from like New Laguna Beach walking over here. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Just stay hydrated. Woo! Little line for the NOS guys. I approve. I approve. Dang, jump up. Yeah, welcome to the crib. It is good. Did everybody give you trouble getting in here?
There's nobody there.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, return it.
No, nobody was there.
Oh really? Nice. You got a free parking.
Oh man, you know that fucking liquid shit in your knee or whatever? Yeah, that shit like spread or whatever, and it fucking swelled up my knee. So you know what? Hey, I'm still having fun out here though.
Yeah, you still made it out.
Sorry, man.
Thanks for coming out. Where are you coming from?
Anaheim, bro.
It's right next to the beach, you know, you can't get any better than that. The weather's nice. It's a little bit cloudy, but you know, we're here to have a good time and socialize. So.
Yeah, I like it. And I think that's my favorite car right there.
Oh my god.
That's
Don't even go there.
that's my favorite car right there.
Nah.
Hey, Moise, remember when I sucked your dick? Oh, you're
Oh shit!
hey, let me suck your toes though on the quicks though. Look, point them down there, man. No, Origins, fuck Origins. 6 toes on 1 foot.
Super fun, super chill. Moist is awesome.
Nuts. Thank you for coming. Drive safe. See you guys.
Bye.
Hey, you have a thumb on your foot? Dude, let's go get in the water.
Wumbo_media.
Shout out to Wumbo, my cameraman. Shout out to him. Go.
Yeah, we're gonna play a little skit that they do all the time. It's pretty fun.
What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Funny. Watch them. Hilarious.
And eat my ass if you can. Hit me up though. 949-257-8139. There we go.
It's cool, man.
Good, good. Where can they see your content?
At the FVS Garage. Yeah, just follow us.
Awesome. What are your favorite?
Alright.
What's your favorite car here?
Well,
Or what was your favorite car?
my favorite guys, it's coming, man.
Oh, the Lambo. Yeah, John Fob.
Fob, man.
Yeah. You're right on. John comes he comes so late because he wants to be fashionably late, which I don't blame him. I really don't blame him. But there he is. Look at the beauty. Oh my goodness, John. Jump up. Look at you. Jump up. No, you're not late. You're fashionably late. Damn. Here it is. It was actually this location like a few months ago, so we're gonna go surprise him. Happy birthday! I got you a little present. Ooh, there you go. What a cry! So, thank you, Mazoe. Thanks for being inspiring, always coming through. You're a great guy.
Who's that?
That's his 2 whips.
Whose man is that?
Actually, and this shot was taken down over there, so.
That's pretty cool, man.
Nice. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Of course.
That's gonna go in my garage.
Next to you, and his car's, if you turn around, his car's right behind you. Thanks for the beauty.
That's a different one.
That's his 3rd
This is the
collection.
fake one. This is the fake one. This is the real one.
So hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, enjoy. So thank you.
What's?
Oh, yo, this is the dream team, boys.
I lowered it, bro.
Yeah,
I lowered it.
Pull him over. Happened. So this guy was driving the BMW that got pulled over. What
I
happened?
wasn't driving it actually. It was my homie that was driving it, and I got into the seat to drive it back. And what ended up happening is he pulled up behind us, wouldn't let us get out, and he kept assuming I was the driver, even though my passenger that was actually driving was like, no, I was driving it, and he wouldn't listen. He was just being a total dick. And then he finally just let us go with the warning.
With the warning, solid. Dang, but that was a good shot though that you guys were doing.
It was a good shot.
Yeah, it was worth it. Sort of. Oh, and that's the that's the car right
There it is.
There it is. It's been through days. Oh my goodness.
I don't know, first time coming back in freaking years, and it's cool. It's a lot of cars, a lot of people. No girls.
No girls. Don't get that on video. What up, man? Fucking, I haven't been out here in a minute. It's pretty cool. A lot of good cars, a lot of dope ass people.
We were just here yesterday.
Yeah.
You live across the street. What are you talking about?
Don't say that. Don't say that.
That's good. That's good. Anything else?
That's it. Don't post this up anywhere on social media.
What are your thoughts?
Pretty good turnout. Shout out Origin. Shout out Hardtuned.
Jeez.
This is amazing. It's amazing.
As far as lot, the purple SUK that was here.
The S2K, the purple one? Awesome. Thanks. Let us know how the shots come out.
For sure.
Yeah.
Later.
Later.
You know, just get some drone footage, bro. We gotta get those aerial shots, dog.
Yes, and if you guys don't follow Ento, he makes epic vlogs. His clean S2K right here.
This guy.
He's getting some epic footage, as you can see. Money shot. Yoo-hoo. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Cheers! I know, right?
I don't think you're supposed to slam it down like that, dude. I think this might be.